Assalamu alaikum and hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to study. These are some general points which you should follow when you're attending a lecture or any workshop, etc. First of all, I'm going to show you a few guidelines. If you are attending a lecture or any other topic, then you should first of all write their headings. Their headings, for example, if you are attending a lecture about any topic, for example, a country, and the country is Pakistan. So first of all, write the topic Pakistan and its provinces. For example, there are four provinces in Pakistan with other uh, Kashmir, etc. Then clarify your concepts. First of all, clear the points in your mind. What are you actually hearing from the lecturer? When you clear some points, then you can write about them. This is the main point. Then you can write about your clarified concepts. After headings, clarifying the concept. After clarifying, then you can write the main points in your own words. Write main points in heading. There are usually normally 4 to 5 lines or points in each topic, but it depends upon the topic and heading. For example, if the topic is Pakistan and its provinces, for example, a province KPK and their division, subdivision, tehsils, etc., etc. So it can be up 10 to 50, 10 to 15 points or 1 to 2 points also. Make your own notes. This is the most important point for getting the highest grades. When you study, normally it takes a lot time when you study from book, etc. But if you have your own notes, then it's easy for you and for your brothers or sisters or etc. or friends to get a review and in the least time and get the things studied. What are the now? I'm going to the point. What are the advantages of the study? Get the highest grades. When at the exam night, you should spend few hours of study, for example, 2 to 3 hours, and get the means the least time and get the things done. Helps in clarifying your concepts. If you write in your own words, it helps in clarifying your concepts. The question arises in your mind, and you have to study. I studied them either from your teacher or from friends or Google it. Helps in comparison study. It helps in points. For example, when several question arises and a conflict occurs between them, then it's called comparison study. And when conflict comes, then it's easy for you to comparison about these questions. And these questions can also be easily studied. Be specific. Always be specific. If you have some queries or questions, then always ask from your teacher or supervisor or friends or search them on internet, but be specific. If there are confusions, you can never get good grades, good have a good study. you know if you have your own notes or you are noting your topics, then it's easy for you which topics you have done and which are remaining. But if you don't make your own notes, then it will be difficult for you to knew about. I'm aware there are some a very small number of students which get the highest grades without noting them. But normally, to get the highest grades with the least study, you have to follow that criteria. And thank you for watching. If you like that video, then subscribe to my channel. Wassalam.